Hey guys, welcome back. I've just reached empty. Pretty bad. Okay guys, back to metro life, and the one good thing is metro is fully empty and I'm having a lemon iced tea. Are you fucking kidding me? Guys, this is going too slow. Are you testing my patience? Don't average green part. Finally, I'm back with my babies. Hiyo, teeny tiny baby. And we're gonna get ready. We brought Singzu. Hey guys, good morning. And my friends are still sleeping, and it's level 41. And I'm doing my skincare. I'm taking care of my skin actually, and maybe room साफ कर रही थी because last night ना हम लोग तैयार होके जा रहे थे तो it was all over the place. सुन लो, मतलब कपड़े सारे was all over the place, और मैंने थोड़ा साफ किया है. And जब लोग वो उठ जाएंगे तब तक तो मैं अपना स्किन केयर करके नहा धोके सब तैयार हो जाऊंगी because I have to go back Majnu Batila. So right now I'm in Safdarjung with my friends at my friend's place. And I've done packing also. Yeah, see, that's my bag. और ये सूखेगा ना, then I'm gonna take shower. You seem to singing like ooh. Guys, so I'm saying bye. 466 8466. Don't cry. Come back soon. Come back soon. So guys, she's leaving. Bye geeks. So where are we going? 다음에 비단사바 아주 배바시 내 직도 뭐라 가동할 오야 나 지금 좀 밀어주세요. 카니발 레시피 델리 카니발 사기다가도 칼라디 타우타야 이내가 산예 맞죠 예셈바 톱 마사 가르치가 라다 포모 장부시나 we just text away 이내가 니팔기 되어디니 night and day 제자 गाइस अगर आपके पास छोटी बहन हो ना तो काउंटर पे उसी को ही भेजने और हम लोग यहाँ बैठते हैं. Guys, this is my favorite spot. Yo. तो गाइस, तो हम लोग ये फोटो में यहाँ पे ना हम लोग फोटो खींचने वाले हैं. तो तीनों अलग अलग खींचेंगे. 말에 강대야 당신이 어디 있는지. How cute. Now to say kesa? Did the men's reservation? Marde? Did the? Homo did the? Go good. Go mea. Go say the onion. अब भूख लगी है गाइस शॉपिंग करते करते तो हम लोग KFC में पहुंच गए हैं 여기 사진 중에 미도 Let's go Mercedes Get inside ये वाला देखा ना मैंने आपका नंबर देखा ना 9313